Hi everyone. Now, let us discuss how to design your dream landscapes with your dream home. I'm architect Dennis who's passionate about helping people create their dream homes. This time, let's talk about something that goes beyond just the walls and roof. Integrated design. What is integrated design? Forget the idea of designing your house first and landscape later. Integrated design means considering both your dream home and its surrounding landscape from the very beginning. It's about creating a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces where your house and landscape works together as one beautiful and functional whole. Why is integrated design important? There are many reasons to embrace integrated design. Imagine this. Picture perfect. Imagine your dream home doesn't just look stunning from the street, but the landscaping complements its architectural style. The colors, textures, and materials flow seamlessly from indoors to outdoors, creating a unified visual masterpiece. Living large. Integrated design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about maximizing your usable space. Strategically placed patios, decks, and walkways become extensions of your living area. Perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or enjoying a meal under the stars. Nature connection. Stepping outside should not feel like going to a separate place. Integrated design fosters a connection with nature by blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. Large windows overlooking beautifully designed landscapes, easy access to outdoor living spaces, and strategically placed walkways all contributes to a more enriching living environment. Sustainable smarts. Did you know integrated design can be good for the environment too? Rain gardens manage water flow. Strategically placed trees can shade your house for lower energy costs, and even edible landscaping can provide fresh food, bringing your dream to life. Now, let's talk about how to translate this concept into reality. And here are some tips. Start with a vision. Think about how you want to use your outdoor space. Do you dream of hosting barbecues, reading a book under a shady tree, having a peaceful retreat for morning coffee? Knowing your goal will guide the design process. Work with a team. Architects and landscape architects are like dream home superheroes, but they work best together. Collaborate with both ensures your house and landscape function seamlessly as a unified whole. Get inspired. There are amazing resources available online and in magazines showcasing integrated design. Look for examples that resonates with your personal style and desired functionality. Remember, your dream home deserves a dream landscape to match. By embracing integrated design, you create a space that's not just beautiful, but truly reflects your lifestyle and connects you with the world around you.